From sun-drenched vineyards to exquisite cellars, the journey of a $1,000 bottle begins with a single, perfect grape. Each cluster, a testament to nature's bounty and human dedication, holds the potential for liquid gold.
Expert hands, guided by generations of wisdom, carefully select only the finest grapes, ensuring unparalleled quality.
The harvest begins, a delicate dance between human effort and nature's gift, preserving every grape's integrity.
At the sorting table, an unwavering commitment to perfection ensures only the purest fruit continues its transformation. Under the watchful eye of skilled artisans, every single grape undergoes rigorous inspection, ensuring only the best prevail.
The destemmer, a marvel of engineering, gently prepares the grapes, a crucial step for the wine's purity. Gently crushed, the grapes release their essence, transforming into the vibrant, promising juice that will become wine.
In these gleaming tanks, the magic of fermentation begins, transforming simple juice into complex, vibrant wine. Within this vibrant fermentation, yeast awakens, unlocking the hidden flavors and aromas of the future wine. Every sample is meticulously analyzed, a scientific ballet ensuring the wine's exquisite balance and desired character. In the lab, microscopic worlds are explored, revealing the subtle complexities that define a truly exceptional vintage. Even the spent pomace finds new purpose, a testament to sustainable practices within this premium winery. Gentle pressing extracts the wine's purest essence, ensuring a smooth, refined character, devoid of bitterness.
Through meticulous filtration, impurities vanish, revealing the wine's radiant clarity and its true, brilliant character.
Within these hallowed barrel rooms, time itself becomes an ingredient, patiently crafting complexity and depth. The very wood of the barrel breathes life into the wine, imparting subtle notes of vanilla and toasted spice.
The cooper's ancient craft, a symphony of wood and metal, ensures each barrel is a perfect cradle for aging wine.
The subtle charring of the oak, a delicate art, will infuse the wine with notes of vanilla, smoke, and spice.
Years of expertise guide the winemaker's eye, ensuring each vintage achieves its peak potential and exceptional character.
The wine's elegant legs reveal its richness and body, promising a luxurious, full-bodied experience.
With a wine thief, secrets are gently drawn from the barrel, revealing the wine's evolving character and complexity.
Deep within this hallowed cellar, generations of vintages rest, silently awaiting their moment to shine. Through the delicate art of racking, the wine is gently clarified, leaving sediment behind, preserving its essence.
Regular topping up protects the wine from air, a silent guardian preserving its complex, evolving flavors.
With traditional fining agents, the wine is gently polished, its natural brilliance brought to the forefront.
These natural crystals, a mark of cold stabilization, signify a wine's inherent purity and stability.
The art of blending, a masterful symphony where different barrels unite, creating a harmonious, complex vintage.
The perfect blend, a liquid masterpiece, now ready for its grand unveiling and final, discerning judgment. A symphony of aromas, each subtle note revealing the blend's intricate character and elegant promise. The first sip, a revelation of flavors, confirms the blend's perfection, a truly unforgettable experience. Every detail, meticulously recorded, ensures the legacy of each vintage, a testament to unwavering dedication. Each bottle perfectly filled, a testament to precision, capturing the wine's essence for its discerning connoisseur. The cork, a natural guardian, seals the bottle, protecting the wine's delicate flavors for years to come. Each label, a work of art, tells the story of the vintage, inviting connoisseurs to explore its depths. Every bottle undergoes rigorous inspection, ensuring flawless presentation, a reflection of the wine's exceptional quality. robotic precision ensures each bottle is nestled securely, ready for its journey in bespoke, luxury packaging. The embossed logo, a symbol of prestige, promises an experience of unparalleled luxury and refined taste. The personalized wax seal, a mark of authenticity, signifies the bottle's unique journey and exceptional provenance.
Every intricate detail of the wax seal whispers a story of heritage, craftsmanship, and unparalleled luxury. From the cellar's embrace, these exquisite bottles embark on their journey, destined for the world's finest tables. From our cellars to the world's most exclusive tables, our wines find their home among discerning connoisseurs. Displayed with reverence, each bottle represents a masterpiece, a testament to unparalleled quality and prestige.
The decanting ritual, a moment of anticipation, awakens the wine's full potential, preparing it for appreciation.
Into the crystal, the wine flows, a culmination of artistry and nature, ready to grace the palate.
Chilled to perfection, the wine's delicate condensation hints at its refreshing crispness and elegant character.
With a gentle swirl, the wine awakens, its legs revealing a story of richness, body, and profound elegance.
A single sip, a moment of pure bliss, where every note culminates in an unforgettable, luxurious symphony.
In the heart of Napa Valley, where earth meets sky, the legacy of exceptional wine begins its timeless journey. Each tiny grape, nurtured by sun and soil, holds the promise of future complexity, a symphony in waiting.
The vine's delicate tendrils, tenacious and strong, reach for the sun, a testament to nature's enduring power.
Expert pruning, a meticulous art, guides the vine's energy, focusing it on producing grapes of unparalleled quality.
Careful leaf pulling ensures each grape receives optimal sunlight, enhancing its flavor and aromatic complexity. The moment of perfect ripeness, a fleeting masterpiece, signals the culmination of nature's artistry. A single berry reveals a symphony of flavors, guiding the winemaker's crucial decision for the perfect harvest. Under the cool embrace of night, the harvest continues, preserving the grape's delicate freshness and aromatic purity. Each cool cluster, gently laid to rest, begins its journey from vine to bottle, preserving its delicate essence.
Swiftly transported in chilled comfort, the grapes retain their pristine freshness, a vital step for premium wine.
At dawn, the winery awakens, receiving its precious cargo, each grape a promise of the vintage to come. The first meticulous sort, every foreign element removed, ensuring only pure, perfect grapes proceed. Optical sorting, a marvel of technology, ensures flawless selection, grape by perfect grape. Into the vat they fall, destemmed and pristine, ready to begin their magical transformation into wine.
The ancient art of punchdowns gently extracts color and tannin, enriching the wine's depth and structure.
The fermenting cap, a vibrant tapestry of skins and seeds, actively contributes to the wine's complex character.
Through pump-overs, the wine gently extracts rich colors and complex tannins, deepening its elegant profile.
The precise introduction of yeast ignites the fermentation, awakening the wine's intrinsic character and complexity.
The hydrometer, a winemaker's compass, meticulously charts the sugar's transformation, guiding the fermentation's progress.
Every data point, carefully logged, contributes to the wine's story, ensuring consistency and unparalleled quality. Under the microscope, purity is confirmed, ensuring the wine's flawless composition and exceptional character. Precise additions of clarifying agents, tested in the lab, ensure the wine's ultimate brilliance and clarity.
Within this silent sanctuary, hundreds of barrels cradle the future, aging gracefully towards perfection.
Through the silent breathing of the barrel, the wine slowly matures, developing profound complexity and character.
Constant topping up is vital, protecting the precious wine from air, preserving its delicate, evolving nature.
Each barrel's label tells a unique story, meticulously detailing its vintage, blend, and journey towards greatness.
With each careful taste, the winemaker monitors the wine's graceful evolution, anticipating its peak of perfection.
These delicate lees, a natural byproduct of aging, contribute to the wine's rich texture and nuanced complexity.
The gentle batonnage stirs the lees, enriching the wine with creamy textures and profound, savory notes.
Chilled to perfection, the wine's delicate condensation hints at its refreshing crispness and elegant character. With a gentle swirl, the wine awakens, its legs revealing a story of richness, body, and profound elegance. A single sip, a moment of pure bliss, where every note culminates in an unforgettable, luxurious symphony.
In a private sanctuary, curated collections await, each bottle a testament to passion and discerning taste.
A rare vintage, its label whispering tales of time, stands as a beacon of unparalleled heritage and value. The delicate extraction of an aged cork, a moment of anticipation, reveals the wine's long-held secrets.
With the cork removed, a symphony of aged aromas escapes, inviting a journey into the wine's profound history.
Decanting, a delicate dance, awakens the vintage, allowing it to breathe and fully express its magnificent character. The final drops reveal the sediment, a testament to years of careful aging, separated for pure enjoyment. An empty bottle, its label a memory, stands as a silent witness to a moment of exquisite pleasure.
The sommelier, a storyteller of the senses, presents the decanted wine, ready to unfold its grand narrative.
Held with reverence, the glass awaits, a vessel for an experience meticulously crafted over years.
A lingering drop, a final whisper of flavor, a testament to the wine's enduring elegance and depth.
Amidst elegant company, the wine takes its rightful place, enhancing every moment of refined celebration.
An empty glass, a silent testament to a journey completed, a memory etched in the palate. A table set for celebration, where an empty bottle whispers tales of joy, shared moments, and exquisite taste. The label, now a cherished memory, embodies the spirit of a $1,000 journey, from grape to grandeur.
On the wall of fame, each empty bottle becomes a legend, a testament to unforgettable vintages and shared joy. An icon of taste, this empty bottle, now history, forever represents a pinnacle of winemaking artistry.
For the true connoisseur, each empty bottle is a treasured trophy, a testament to unforgettable experiences.
In the tasting room, a symphony of senses unfolds, as connoisseurs discover the nuances of each exquisite vintage.
Every note, meticulously recorded, captures the essence of the tasting, preserving insights for future enjoyment. The aroma wheel, a guide to sensory exploration, unlocks the complex bouquet of each exceptional wine.
A toast to excellence, celebrating the journey from grape to glass, a testament to passion and enduring quality.
A clink of glasses, a shared moment of joy, celebrating the artistry and the profound pleasure of fine wine.
As the sun sets over the vineyard, the story of our wine continues, inviting you to discover its enduring magic.
Our emblem, etched in stone, symbolizes a timeless commitment to craftsmanship.
From the earth's embrace to the final sip, a journey of passion, precision, and unparalleled luxury unfolds.
This is the pinnacle, a $1,000 bottle, a masterpiece of craftsmanship, awaiting its moment to captivate. A $1,000 bottle, a true investment in liquid artistry, embodying the essence of ultimate luxury.